friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm sharing with you 2 simple Christmas DIYs. So without further ado, let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm reusing this frame that I used in a previous project. I'll link it in the cards above. I'm going to use this wool and some scissors, and I'm covering the middle portion with this dark blue wrapping paper. It's a gift paper that I got for 15 rupees from Santosh. And I'm taking the paper from the frame and using it to cut out the base. I'm not going to stick it to the base. I'm just going to insert it. Now that the base is ready, I'm taking the white wool and going around my fingers 20 times to make a small pretty pom-pom. Sorry, tassel. Taking a small piece of wool, I'm tying the top. And then I'm cutting the base. I did the same and made round 10 to make my Christmas tree. I use a small tree topper for the top. And then I'm just hot gluing it to the frame. For the second DIY, I'm again using another project that I did before. And in this too, the paper was not stuck together. It was just attached with some masking tape, so it's easy to remove. And I like this base. But looking back, I should have given it a darker base, just like the first project. Next, I took the same woolen thread and I wound it around the frame 24 times. You can do it as much or as little as you want, depending on the thickness of the tree you would like to achieve. Then I inserted a small piece and tied the top together. And then I took it out and cut the base. Next, I took this jute twine and tied a piece to the top. That's the first knot. And then I divided it equally into half and tied 2 pieces of the jute twine to each side. Next, I divided it into 3 and did the same way. Let me know if you've started decorating for Christmas, or when do you start decorating for Christmas? in the comment section down below. And then I did it 5 parts. And then I took some more jute twine and made a bow. And yes, I added a small Christmas star to the top. And then I took some twine and made these small pretty bows to add to each of the knots. In the last row it looked too crowded, so I just added 3, leaving the ones in between. And as a final touch, I added some pretty pearls to the center of each bow. I thought they had a pretty touch. And yes, I untangled the strings at the end and gave it a little haircut. I thought this tree turned out pretty, if I say so myself. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And that's it. Don't you think a darker backdrop would have looked better? It would have made the tree pop more. Well, hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.